Hey folks, bidtrice.com, Trice Auctions here out of Denton, Maryland. We got a 1993 4 Winds 215 Sundowner. It's got a 5.0 liter in it. I'll show you it's running. We have it started and running now. We're going to take her out here on a beautiful evening, test it out. What's this, July 2nd? Yeah, today's July 2nd, so this boat sells July 8th. We just want to get a real video, show you that it runs and drives. I'm going to hop in it here. It is a fuel injected. Jeez Louise, there it is. So like I said, it's got the 5.0 liter in it. Fuel injected. So that's it, started. We're starting it up. We're going to take it out for a spin. I'll film that too here in a second. Just want to get this while we're sitting at the dock. All right, talk to you later. Thanks. Here's a startup video. Maybe, if my operator's going to start it. What'd you do? You can't get the key in? Oh, there we go. There we are, startup video. I'll mess these all together. We're going to do a little riding video now. All right, folks, here we are doing a little test drive on the boat. Running about 30 mile an hour. Depth finder over there, if you can